Okay, so let's work on the next homework. So this is the next homework. It's actually in the exceptions. This homework is inside of the exceptions lesson, but has nothing to do with exceptions because most of the coding challenges during the interview will be related to the string. Okay, so let's take a look. So write a method is anagram and implement that method that checks whether the string are strings are anagrams, including the spaces. So an anagram is a word created from the letters and another word. Okay, so this is example. str1 debit card, str2 bad credit, or the car is the same as arg because arg has the same letters. Okay, there is a hint that you will need to change the string to the char array, and you'll be able to need to probably do the sort and the equals, and those sort and equals are present in the arrays from Java JDK, and to char array is also in Java JDK, comes from the string class. Let's use that two classes from JDK in order to implement everything. So let's create a package. Homework 6. I'll create the main class, and I'll add that description of the homework, and I'll make maximize the window, and I'll start from public static void main. Okay, and I'll add this method is anagram separately, and I'll add the body, and I'll add the static so that I can call this method from the public static void main. Okay, so the static methods can be called only from static methods. And I'll return false because it's Boolean. If I don't return anything, Java shows me error right away. Okay, so let me do this. Boolean result equals is anagram and then arc comma car. Okay, so that should return true to me. Then for the method, I will come up with a few things. I think number one, I'll need to do two steps. The first one is convert to char array. Okay, then the second one is to sort the array, and then number 3 is do this arrays equals, and for this one is arrays sort. Okay, so let's use that. I think that's it, and then we'll basically return this one. Okay, so that's cool. Let's start. So the first is char array chars 1 equals str1 to char array, and then I'll duplicate this one with command D or control D, then 2, and then don't forget to change this one to 2 as well. Okay, so then that's a number 1, convert to char array. This is done. Okay, then number 2, sort the array. Each of the array have to be sorted. Okay, chars equals arrays dot sort, and then chars 1. Okay, it shows me the some error. Probably I'm not allowed to do that at all. Yeah, it doesn't return anything. So if I do like this, the arrays here, this array is gonna be sorted right away. So I'm gonna do this one, and as a result, I'm gonna remove this line, and I'm gonna remove this line, and I'm gonna do the chars 1 comma chars 2. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Let's run it and make sure that it's working. Oh, I didn't return. I didn't print anything out. As out res. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, true. If I have a space here, false. Okay, perfect. So one more thing. Debit card and bad credit. That's interesting. Let's see. False. Yeah, probably there is just because this B is high level. Yeah, so let's also do that to low level, to lowercase, I mean, to lowercase, and run it again. True, now it's true. You see, just because the D is high capital and B is high capital here, once I did everything to lowercase, then it started working. Also, I can remove that spaces if there is such requirement, but there is no such requirement. If you want to remove the space, I would do this replace, and then this one with this one. So that's how I would remove any spaces in the strings. Okay, but I don't need that. I didn't see anything like that in requirements. So that's it, guys. It's done. Thank you.